everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Sephora points, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply start our video. For that matter, what you would like to make sure of is you first of all will open up your browser and you will go to your search bar and type in Sephora. Once you have done so, you're gonna go to your official website of your Sephora right there on your mobile phone, and this will simply be at the homepage of the website, right? So let's say if you want to earn points. So apparently the points you can earn in here in Sephora is because of how much you're gonna purchase. You can see it shows 0 points. If you tap on this, we actually get this beauty insider cash. You can see once you earn 500 points, you can apply them to your purchase for $10 off. So you can say shop to earn points. So as the more you shop, the more points you're gonna make. It's actually a created award for you from Sephora itself. The more you purchase over here with the account in Sephora website, the more you can get the points collected. So for you to get the tricks, and the more you refer this as well, so trying to get into the campaigns that will Sephora will get out and the offers, and apply for them and shop as much as you can. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.